Our Gantry horizontal end-face milling services are designed for high-precision machining of large sizes and complex shapes, leveraging the robust capabilities of our Gantry mills. We handle sizable mold steel parts with ease, ensuring exceptional flatness and dimensional accuracy. Our expertise guarantees precision in every large-scale project. Trust us to deliver superior machining results for your demanding applications. Consult with us today to find out how we can meet your precise machining needs. KD Hardware offers precision machining of complex parts, from prototype to production. Contact us for your project needs. Info@kd-cncmachining.com